What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Untouchable Native, and we're back with a little surprise. So recently I had this perfect offer that dropped on us, man. I'm stoked, happy, surprised they sat there and chose me. But we have here the Pixoo64, 64 by 64 pixel art cloud frame. That's right. Can't wait to open this box. I've seen streamers have it in their background, wondered what it was. I don't know if it was the exact one, but we have one. That's right. Let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. We have the Pixoo64 by Divoom, and yes, I have the box like this so that way you guys can actually read it, because if I have it like this, well, y'all could probably still read it, but here we go. So just off rip, social media counter, crypto and stock tracker, music visualizer, and the pixel lighting decoration. Man, this thing looks sleek. It just looks sleek. It looks nice. Just what we spoke about in all the languages. The box is not that heavy. It's a little bit heavy, but it's not that heavy. If I can open the dang box, right? Oh! Look at this. It's not over the top. It's not over the top. It's simple. It's more elegant this way. I love it. Divoom, I love how you package this. I love it. Okay. So we have the book inside. I like it. For the ladies out there, they'd be like, oh my God, it's so cute. No, this thing's sexy. Okay, so it tells you where everything is. There's also a charging port on this bad boy. I was wondering how you would go ahead and do this. I was wondering how you would. Did it work off batteries? I was wondering. But just by peeking in there, I realized, oh, look at this. Man, oh man. Divoom, appreciate you. Thank you so much. Oh man. So, I take it that this is for a speaker or to listen. And oh, okay, so we have on the side, we have the power button, and we have the lighting to go ahead and dim that down, y'all. Man, I love it. Okay, so we do have some screws at the top and 2 at the bottom. Let's check the back of this out right quick. I love it. Oh, there we go. We got the power cord right in the back down here. Y'all can see this right down there. I'll zoom in for you guys. But this little ravine right here is good for the wire management. I like that. Also, just stick it just straight on the wall too. You can stick it straight on the wall in 2 places. I love it. Oh, this just slides right out. I would have to check what that right there was for. I guess when you have to put it on the wall. If that's the case, I'll check it out some more though. But it just comes right out. Just comes right out, y'all. and it only goes in one way, so you can't mess that up. The clip part will be on the left hand side, and then piece that just sits on the little lip right there goes on the right. But I love this. Hey yo Divoom, yo, wow for this. I caught this. Y'all check this out. So y'all remember that little piece that I had flipped out just a moment ago? I had flipped it out. It was right here. If I can get it back out again, hold on. Okay, we go right here. How it just flipped out. Hey, remember how I said that this one and this one, you can go ahead and put this dang thing on the wall? Well, go ahead and check this out. See this right here? These guys are so smart with this. So you'd initially stick this inside, slide it up, and there's your stand. Yo, why are y'all so smart? Like, why are y'all so smart? Oh man. All right, let's get back to the video. With no disturbances, it can stand up by itself. Well, no disturbances, I said. I'm rocking the freaking desk with all this excitement. Okay, here we go. There's only 2 of them in here. So I take it these are the little screws that screw in. So you get a little package right here. I'm looking through the package. So we get 2 of the screws right there. We have a choice to pick. Oh, then we have the wire. Let me put this back on top of the screen so that way we don't sit there and scratch it up or get it messed up. So we have the charging wire that's also labeled with the Divoom label right there. So you won't be able to get these bad boys mixed up with any of your other stuff. But they got the braid material over the cord. I love how durable this feels. It feels really durable. For the ones who are not going to be moving this around a lot, you know, this wire I feel is going to last you a pretty long time. With me, I change my setup all the time. So I'll probably just slide it over a little bit, slide it back, but this should still last me a freaking lifetime. Divoom, perfect choice. Perfect choice. I love it. You know what? We're gonna be hooking this up soon. We're just gonna leave this right here. I will preserve everything in the box it came in because it's like the box is a decoration itself. The way they made it look, it's phenomenal. Okay. So I'm gonna put this right here. Put this back inside right here, y'all. Well, it's gonna slide this right here out. So that way we can start the process to download all the stuff on here and to see what the app has. That's what we're gonna do next. All right, y'all, welcome back. So we just plugged the wire into our USB charging port that plugs into our PC, which is exceptional to have if you need more USB 3.0 and 3.2s. So plug it into the back. There we go. Obviously, I got the app on my phone, so I went ahead and put Itachi on this mug. Man. settings were saved. There we go. It'll drop your Twitch stats on here for you. The dates, the time. All right. Where's the handy dandy cell phone? And we're back. Let's go ahead and dive into this app right now. Okay, so here we have the Divoom app. We have a bunch of gallery items. So you have to go in and link your device. Obviously, that's our device right here. You can change the name of it, add your Wi-Fi. I like how the layout looks of the app. Let's go ahead and hit this right here. We added our YouTube channel in the mix. So now it shows our YouTube channel. I love it. Time and date is still in there. Or even shows our view count. Okay. Oh, this is crazy. Okay. I'm a Naruto fan. There we go. Got some Naruto in the 64x64 pixelated frame. I love it. That one was done really well. Whoever made that one did it really well. That was really good. Then you have your local galleries here. You can actually upload some things for yourself and favorite other ones. And remember, it's going to be a little bit behind, but still, it captures what's on that screen. Doesn't even sit there and take that long. Doesn't take that long at all. But overall, let's go ahead and navigating the app is very simple. I give it a 10 out of a 10. It's pretty straightforward. Go ahead and click things like it. I would just have to go ahead and try to upload some things onto here. But as of right now, the app is it's straightforward. The look of it, the weight, it's not heavy at all. You can find a spot anywhere for this. like I said earlier, it does stand up by itself when it's not being tampered with. So if you got kids running around, animals, just make sure it's, especially a cat that just goes ahead and knocks things off the edge, just make sure that you loop this thing up somewhere. Or this can be a screen for your animals, you know? This can be a screen for your animals so that way they want to watch like puppy videos or cat videos. Imagine. If you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'll also be dropping the link down below to go ahead and buy your own Pixoo64. I appreciate y'all. Until next time, y'all be good. Y'all be safe. Your boy Untouchable Native is out. Peace.